Welcome everyone, here's how you add cards to a YouTube video in your iPhone. So the first step is you will need to open up the Safari browser and you will need to head over to studio.youtube.com. Once you're here, I'm brought straight to my dashboard. In some cases it will ask you to continue, so just tap on continue. It may prompt you to open up the mobile app. Don't use the mobile app, go to the website. So from here, I'm going to zoom in so you can see. We just want to tap on this little icon here. This is the videos icon. You then just want to find the video in question that you want to add cards for. So let's say this one. Tap on it once, then tap on the pencil. It's a little bit finicky, but you will see it will eventually work. You're then going to slide to the side, and you see where it says cards. Tap on the pencil for this one. Let's try and zoom out. And we'll zoom in. So you can now add video, playlist or channel. But before you do that, you see right here, I'm just going to brighten up my phone so you can see this. You see this right here? This is where you're going to add your card, okay? So just move the timeline where you want it. Then tap on the plus here. Choose the video you would like. And you can also add a custom message here. You can also add teaser text, and then once you've done that, you just tap on the save button, and just like that, you're going to be good to go. So with that being said, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.